Hi guys, and welcome. What we're going to do tonight, we're going to just check these radios that we went through last night. They're alright on receive, but they're a bit off frequency, so we're going to just see if we can pop them back on. So let's just, this is the Little Midland, I'll tell you the model number in a minute. This is an AM radio. Yeah, these were, and probably a star no. This is a model 77-824B, a Little Midland AM from the 1980s, is it? 1978. These were Uniden radios, but the microphones they used a Cybernet microphone wiring back then. I don't know why all the manufacturers had to have different microphone wirings when one wiring system would suit everybody. You know, I'm not quite sure why that was the case, but it was. No, I need to put these two radios somewhere. These two handhelds. I know what I could do. I could put them there first, I suppose. Don't want to get them damaged because they're... Right, so what we'll do, take that off. Right, and I think you can adjust the... Yeah, you can. I think you can adjust... Look how old that is. So it looks a bit old and crusty, that, but it works. So what we'll do, we'll wedge the speaker there, plug, would help we'll plug the power in first, wouldn't it? Yeah, I don't want to mess about taking the speaker off. Yeah. Right, we're not going to plug the external speaker from the test set in. We're only going to pop the radio on frequency if we can. Right, that's gone through the wrong way, so we can pull that through. There we go. Yeah, because yeah, all them years ago, hey guys, all them years old and this thing still works. It's a testament to how things were made back then, isn't it? You know, it really is, guys and girls. I mean, they don't make stuff like that now, do they? Stuff like that now can't even last 12 months. You're lucky if you can get past its guarantee period these days. But, you know, not, you know, rubbish really nowadays, the stuff they make. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to pop this back on frequency, and I think we'll just get the mic. Right, well, we could do with why we've got no power to it. Well, I plugged the wrong fucking power lead in. No? Oh, this was working last night. The fuse hasn't popped. Blown the fuse, has it? That's fuse is in. Can't see it blowing the fuse. Oh, this is not working, guys. It was last night. I can assure you this was working last night because we had it on. So has it died? the wire come out of the block. Yeah. This is going to take some putting in, because it's well, our wires come out and I can't see where the connector is. Wow, this is a bit of a fucker. Right, let's put the phone on for the torch. Fuck's sake. I can't see it, guys. That's it. That's got it in. Right. See if it comes on now, shall we? I mean, it did last night, it was working. Yeah. Yeah, we're on channel 20. And we want to be... Let's get this in position. There we go. We want to get that there. Right, where have I put my trimmer? Now I've lost my tool. There it is. Right, so... Let's press count and we'll go to the we want to adjust the trimmer here, and we want 205 . That'll do us. 205, yeah. Yeah. Hello. Just see if we can pop that down just a bit more. It's a bit better. I bet we can get it. Don't think we're going to get absolutely spot on. Come back slightly. That'll do us. That's good enough. 27,707. 27,205.009, that'll do us. Yep, that's working, that's that one done. See, we're only popping these on frequency. Deviation on them and everything's good. Modulation, sorry. It's not deviation on AM, it's modulation. Right, so unplug the mic. We can pop the screws back in here. If we can get the mic unscrewed. Come on. Wow. Wow, that's... Whoops. Let's just unplug the instruments and the power. There we go. That's got it. Yeah, what we're going to do, guys, we're going to... Because we're not keeping these AM sets, we're getting rid of them. I mean, there's not much point in them being knocking about here. They don't get used. They're never going to get used, so you know, we may as well just rehome them, really. I mean this is a classic radio. Probably somebody wants this. We'll find out. There we go. Put that back in there. That one's now perfectly on frequency. There we go. Yeah, we're just putting screws in now. We'll do the Midland in a minute. We'll do the Midland 2001. That could do with a TX light as well, but I don't happen to have an LED that small, so what we'll do, we're not bothered with that. We'll just pop it on frequency, because I know this one is slightly off. So let's take this, the thumb wheel screws out the side. Yeah, this got repainted. It's been done, this. Good little radio, guys, these. A good little radio. They're actually made by a company called Maxon. And we want this plug for this one, and we want to try and repair the socket on this as well. I mean, it doesn't disappear inside, so got a good rusty screw there. And we'll see if we find a nice clean one to put in there. All the rest of them are looking not too bad. Oh, we don't want that one off, because we're only taking the bottom off, we're not taking the top lid off. There's no need. And we checked this for reception last night. It receives very well, so we don't need to mess with the receiver. We're only popping it. We're going to check the balance of power on this. I think this is doing about 5 watts. So we want to just slightly drop it a little bit. I think this one's doing 5 watts. So we want to drop the power maybe a little bit. And this was made in 1981, November 1981. This was a brand new set back then, remember, guys? There we go. Right. So what we do, we set the power. We may need the soldering iron on. Can we turn that without the soldering iron? No, we're gonna have to heat it up. So we're gonna have to put soldering iron on to melt the wax. Right. Right. Right, so get the mic. This is actually the mic for this. There you go. Oh, what channel are we on? We want to be on channel 20. We are. Not much fucking volume there. That's got it. And that could do a bit of a clean. Right, and to adjust this one, let's just check the frequency. 27791313. Yeah, we want to adjust that. And to adjust this one, the adjustment is right behind this wire here, this little red capacitor. And we want to turn it one way or the other. 125, and that's pretty much 126. That'll do. And the power is 5.3. So let's just see if that'll. Let's turn the power adjuster. Yes, it will. We want to come down to 4.9, 4.7, 4.4, 0.3, 4 watts. Check it on the I channels. Channel 40, 4.2, 4.2 on channel 1 as well. Is that on channel 1? Yeah. 4.2, 4.3. Yeah, that's good enough. 4.12. Just come down a little bit more. Let's go to there. Now we're a bit low there now. We want the 4.1, 4.11. That's good enough. Go to channel 20. Alright. We're bang on frequency, and we're actually at 4.9, round about that. 4.09, that'll do us. Let me give you guys a look. Let's go to the test set. Oh, that's the wrong camera. There you are. Let's get you in position. There you go. Right. Let's put it on zoom. Power. There you go. Yeah, that's good enough, isn't it? We're just slightly hovering around there. Yeah, we're a bit. That's good enough. Yep, that's good enough, isn't it, guys? So let's do the other one. We don't need to mess with anything else on these. That you? Yeah, of course, but why? Well, yeah, I'm just doing a quick video. I'm not live. I'm not live, I'm just doing... I'm just finishing these radios off I started last night. We'll do some coffee. Fuck me, you only just sat down in that rung. That'll be Laura.
Hi Malcolm. Are you alright? How are you?
Christine. You have to shout down the bloody phone.
Yeah.
There you go.
Alright then. Okay then. Alright, see you in a minute, Malcolm.
What does Malcolm want?
Telling me how much the meals are at the Strawberry Gardens when I go out.
Right.
Want a coffee?
Yeah. Right, that was that one done, guys. Let's just come back to you a minute. Come back to that a minute. There we go. That's that one done. Right. That's ready. We need a channel control for that because the channel control knob is split, and I'm waiting to hear from Richard. He's going to have a look. He thinks he's got one, so that'll be great. And then we've got this. Now let's put this one on. Now this one's out as well, so we'll take the screws out. Yeah, this is weird, this, because you have them funny screws. You have self tappers, or you have machine screws in it, and then these ones here, or that one in particular on the side, is actually a machine. Is actually, oh no, there's self tappers in this one. There we go. Yeah, the plug on this one's good. There we go. Yeah, the two screws at the back there. That's the reason why that is raised, is so that when you slide it into the bracket, it doesn't slide straight through. It'll stop on the bracket that it originally came with. And these are actually countersunk, so you have to make sure you get them back in the right place. The countersunk ones. So that's, now the top has to come off this one. There you go. Pop that there for a moment. Now this one's exactly the same circuit board, guys, as the other one. It's just a bit bigger because there's more bits on this one, more switches. But they don't really do a whole lot. They were just, a lot of the switches were just eye candy, really. And so we want this upside down. We've got that in. Pull the top off. Put the, and this is exactly the same. It's the same board. The only difference, we're on channel 20. No, we're on channel 40. So we want to come to channel 20. It doesn't matter what channel, I suppose, you set it up on, as long as you set it up. The power, we're just over, yeah, we're 4.8. So what we need to do is come down a little bit on the power. We need to warm the adjuster. So we can turn the adjuster. Alright, and now we need to bring it down. I'll put it on the camera so you can see it. On camera. There we go. So yeah, as you can see, we're just above the 4. Right, we're pretty much on the 4 there. So now if we go channel 1, we're on, yeah, we're just slightly under, so we'll just turn it back a bit. That'll do us. That we're on 4 there. Right, and that's, oops. So we need to look at channel 40. Should be that one. Yep. And we are slightly over. So we'll come back down a bit. Let's have a look at channel 1. 3.9. Just come back up a little bit. There. 4 watts. That's just slightly over 4.3. But I don't think we could argue at that. See what we're doing on channel 20. Because channel 20 and we're on 4.2. So yeah, that's good enough. That's good enough, that, guys. Now let's have a look at the frequency, because what we'll do now, we'll pop it on frequency. What we'll pop it on frequency, and it's 277913. So let's put that in there. It's the top there we're looking at. That'll do us. Toggling between 125, 126, and check the deviation. Radio. Hello. That's good enough. Right. So, come back to you guys. Or back to there. That's it done, guys. We're not doing the receiver because we checked the receiver and we were happy with the receiver. So now, I don't understand why. Get in. There you go. Now let's pull the power lead out, and let's pull the test lead, unplug the test set, and we may as well unplug the microphone. That way we're not going to be struggling to put the top back and put it back together with the microphone plugged in. Come out. Yeah, this is an original mic. It's even got the original mic plug on it, because it came with them type of plugs on these Midlands. Right, pop the top back into place. There you go. Right, pop the screws back in. We'll put the tool away in a minute, the trimmer tool away in a minute. We'll pop the screws back in, and remember the beveled screws go to the back, countersunk ones rather, they go to the back. You don't have to put these in really wrench on them, because all you want really is you just want it tight, you know, you just want it snug really. You don't. There are machine ones in the front, strangely enough, and self tappers in the sides. They are on my radio anyway. Whether anyone else's radio is like that, beats me. So never mind. Right. Are you going Allison's tonight?
No, she's one tonight out, one tonight. And,
Right. Are you coming back here later? Right.
Yeah.
Put that on here, Christine. I can't. I've got my hand full.
Put it here.
Yeah, put it there. Be all right. 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 Yeah, I'm going to let you also know, guys, I don't know whether I'm doing right or doing wrong here, but I'm going to tell you anyway, our friend Jason Woods is in hospital. Yeah, I'm not going to discuss, but that's why we've not seen him. Right, so that one's done, guys. Turn the test set off, because we're done with that now. There you go.
So watch on the day, Andy.
Yeah. Yes.
Right.
The remote controls there,
Yeah,
Christine.
I've got it.
Do you know how to put it on?
Yeah.
Right. Well, turn it down. Right. Put these on here out of the way. Right, we've got this one here as well, guys. We'll have a quick look at this. This is the Harvard 410T. Yeah, we're going to get rid of this as well. We're not keeping this. But this is going to get moved on. Yeah, this has got a slight crack in the case somewhere. And this does run. I've got a DC lead for this. I need to find it. But yeah, that's what that is, guys. It has a signal meter and a channel display and all that lot. Aerial's good on it. Has an emergency button there. External aerial. Volume and squelch. The guy I bought this off, Carl, he was supposed to buy it back, but I've never seen head or hair of him. So, sure it had a crack in this, or was it one of the others? I can't see the crack. Sure there was a crack in it somewhere. No. Yeah, so we're gonna put this up and get rid of this because I have no use for it. So, are you on ITV there, Christine?
Yeah.
Right. I don't know. I don't watch telly, do I? I only got it because you watch it. I don't fucking go near that, you know me. Anyway, let me put these little things back in the side of this. Yeah, the paint on these is very hard wearing. It's what I used is pretty good paint. Right, put that one down there as well. Put that one there. Right, so we can put these two Midland mics together. I'm not keeping these Midlands, there's no point. Put them mics at the back there. Put the little adjusters back in the tin. There we go. And that's it, guys. Put the Midland away. The little AM. We'll get rid of that little AM. I'm not going to keep that. And this is not a bad little radio. You know, for what it is. It's, you know, it's more of a collector's thing than anything. I mean, this is something that a collector would want. But I'm going to leave it there, guys. And like I say, like, share, subscribe, buy me a coffee if you want to. And I'll be back this way tomorrow night with a live. Catch you later, guys. Bye for now.